Hello everybody. For JEE Advanced examination, questions are extremely analytic. It means we need the profound knowledge in solving the sum. And remember one thing, that calculus is the most important part for the JEE Advanced. It means if you want to get the very good rank in JEE Advanced examination, it is nothing but the calculus, which is the most important part, and function is the heart of the calculus. So let us solve one very good analytic question and try to understand exactly what it is telling. In this case, the question is coming to be that the value of x satisfying box of 3 by x plus box of 4 by x equal to 5, and which belongs to the interval here p to q by r, where p, q, r are natural number and q and r are co-prime. So let us solve p plus q plus a. It means we have to find the value of p, q, r. So let us solve the sum. First of all, you see one thing, if in this case x is the negative quantity, so within the box there will be the negative quantity, so we cannot get right hand side 5, so x cannot be negative. Remember one thing, that x can't be negative. That is our first issue, first calculation. So x should be positive quantity. So our minimum target is that x is a positive quantity. X is greater than 0 and x is the positive quantity. Now what we'll do, under this situation there are three cases possible. Okay, and the first case is box of 3 by x equal to 0 and box of 4 by x, and means what, intersection we need the common value, and box of 4 by x equal to 5. Second case, what we'll do, second case is box of 3 by x obviously lesser than box of 4 by x, box as x is positive quantity, so box of 3 by x equal to 1 and box of 4 by x equal to what is coming, 4 plus 1 5, and box is the, remember box is the integer function. Okay, and the third case we are getting what, that box of 3 by x equal to 2 and box of 4 by x equal to 3. Further, box of 3 by x equal to 4, box of 4 by x equal to 1 is not possible. It means there are three cases under this. Now one by one case we'll analyze everybody. How to analyze in this case? So number one, if we case number one, if we take, so what we are getting, box of 3 by x equal to 0. So any box equal to 0, what does it mean? X is the line between 0 and 1, greater than equal to 0, less than 1. So we can say here 3 by x greater than equal to 0 and less than 1. Therefore x is the positive quantity, we can cross multiply. If it is a negative quantity, if it would have been a negative quantity hota to we cannot cross multiply. Therefore we can say here x here greater than 3. Okay everybody, and second portion if we get, and box of 4 by x equal to 5. So 4 by x, any box equal to 5, so that value lying between 5 to 6, greater than equal to 5 and less than 6. Therefore if I flip, हम उल्टा कर देंगे तो क्या होगा, x by 4 greater than, just sign will be changed, less than equal to 1/5. And everybody remember one thing, in this case you have to calculate very fast, calculation should be very fast. So what we'll do, x here, x by, in this case x by 4 calculate, and x lying between what, 2/3 greater than 2/3 and less than what we'll get here, less than equal to, in this case less than equal to what is there, 4 by 5. So just see one thing in this case, that x once greater than 3, and another case x greater than 2/3 and less than equal to 4 by 5. It is not possible. So it's the absurd case. So we cannot take case number 1. Case number 1 is discarded. We cannot take case number 1. Okay. Now I am going to the case number 2. Just I have to wipe some part. I am going to the case number 2. Now I am just coming to the case number 2. For the case number 2, what they are telling, that box of 3 by x equal to 1 and box of 4 by x equal to 4. So what we'll do, that box of 3 by x equal to 1, any box equal to 1. So that line between 1 to 2. So I can say here 3 by x belongs to 1 to 2. 1 to 2. If I just go to the flipping, so what will get here? That x by 3 greater than half, less than equal to 1. So we can say here x greater than 3 by 2 and less than equal to here 3. And also in this case we are getting another condition, that 4 by x equal to box of 4 by x equal to 4. Once again, any box is equal to 4, that lying between 4 to 5, greater than equal to 4, less than 5. So I am writing here 4 by x greater than equal to 4, less than 5. Now everybody understand one thing, just I will flip the calculation and directly I am telling you x greater than what? 4 by 5 and less than equal to 1. So I am seeing once again that x greater than 3 by 2, 3 by 2 to 3, it means 1.5 to 3, and once again lesser than 1. How it is possible? The sum is, there is no any common intersection, so common intersection is 5. It means there is no common intersection, so number 2 is also discarded. We cannot take the number 2. It's a wrong method. Now I am going to the third method. Let's see whether it will be satisfied. For this I have to calculate. So the third method is telling what? In this case, box of 3 by 2 equal to 2 and box of 3 by x equal to 2 and box of 4 by x equal to 3. So what we'll do here, in this case, let us go to the third method. So I am writing here box of 3 by x equal to 2. So any box equal to 2, so that line between 2 to 3, therefore I can say here that 3 by x. Okay, so from this case I can say here that 3 by x lying between 2 to 3, therefore I can say here, and also I am just doing at a time, and 4 by x lying between 3 to 4, because box of 4 by x equal to 3 to 4, since it box equal to 3, box of anything equal to 3, that lying between 3 to 4. Okay, so this is coming 3 to 4. Now x by 3 lying between 1/3 to half. So directly I am calculating. So always not calculate like a tram line. Okay, so sometimes you have to calculate orally, sometimes you have to calculate, solve the sum. So x by 3 lying between 1/3 to half, right? Just if I flip, so x greater than 1, so we can say here x greater than 1 and less than equal to what? Less than equal to 3 by 2. And here x, if I just flip here, that x by 4 just greater than 1/4 to 1/3, x greater than 1 less than equal to 4 by 3. Everybody, if I go to the common intersection of the two things, just understand one thing. If I go to the common intersection of two things, what we are getting? X greater than 1 less than equal to 4/3. So we are getting here, final calculation is what? X greater than 1 less than equal to 4/3. And we are given in this case, we are seeing that it between P to Q by R, Q and R are in this case co-prime. Therefore it is totally clear, P equal to 1, Q equal to 4, R equal to 3. Therefore I can say P plus Q plus R is coming 1 plus 4 plus 3, that is coming to be 8. And everybody, in this way I'll give more and more sums for JEE Advanced. Stay connected.